Hello and welcome to Anti-Aging Central. Thank you for supporting our online store. It is with great pleasure that we introduce to you today, Green Online Electronic Checks, a simple and safe way to pay for your products. Here is how it's done. Many customers prefer the convenience of an electronic check payment when ordering alternative products and hard-to-find nootropics. Green eChecks Online is simple. Once you proceed to checkout, you will land on the order page. Enter your routing number and account number, that's it. Copy the information from one of your checkbooks to the order page and place your order. The payment with Green eChecks is fast, safe, secure, and easy. You are protected against fraud and theft, and your confidential information is treated with the utmost care, meeting or exceeding federal and state mandates. Pay with Green eChecks today, and thank you for visiting AntiAgingCentral.com.